Okay, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's brief tutorial, I'm going to model a table, just something very simple. Yes, this is part of my learning of Blender, so as you watch the series, just try and enjoy it while it lasts. Okay, so first thing I will do is delete this cube. I don't need this for now, and I'm going to press Shift A, and I'm going to bring in a cylinder. Okay, I'm not going to organize any vertices. I'm going to use it the way it is. So I'll press S to scale it. Actually I want to scale it on the Z-axis. So I'll flatten the table, kind of. Now I think, or should we just make a stool? Yeah, maybe, probably. So I'm going to tab into edit mode. There it is. And I'm going to come over here and select face and choose face select. Okay, and I'm going to press A to deselect everything, press E to extrude, then I'm going to left click. Okay, so then I'm going to scale this in, okay, to somewhere around there, I think, and then this is okay. So no, this is a bit too big. Let me scale it a bit more. Okay, so there it is. Now I'm going to extrude this down a bit. Then this will do extrude, right click, and scale. Okay, and extrude it down once more. I think I'm going to bring it somewhere here. It's okay. E, right click, and then scale. Okay, so finally I'm going to extrude this down, I think, so it can be as long as that. So this should be okay. Now, well, I get down here, I'm going to make it just a flat surface. It's going to look almost like a lamp, but then it's just a basic table. Maybe for all these bars, or if you go to maybe just a place to have a drink. So I'm going to extrude this. Yep. I'm going to right click, then I'm going to scale it. Nope, I don't want it to be as big as the table head, so I think this should be okay. Yep, it looks almost like an umbrella, but then it's a table. So I'm going to extrude this down to somewhere here. Finally, I'll scale this up. Yep, so this will do. This is just what I need, and this looks okay. So this is just a basic table for those who may be interested in modeling this. If you want to model something like this using Blender, you can just do it this way. So let's try rendering it and see how it looks. There, very simple, nothing big, and it's looking quite beautiful. This video I just modeled the basic table, so you can use this as a low poly mesh for maybe designing an bar or something, you are making a restaurant or whatever it is you want to model. So again, thank you for watching this brief video. I appreciate that. If you want more of my content, you can go ahead and subscribe, and I guess I'll see you in my next video.